So with people rushing to gyms to kind of get fit for summer, right, there are some health concerns to keep in mind.
There really are, and one of them is avoiding a bacteria known as MRSA, which is pretty nasty stuff. Emily Hamilton joins us now with more. And Emily, this bacteria is actually fairly common.
Yeah, Lee, nasty stuff indeed. It's a type of bacteria that lives essentially everywhere, but the most common place it's contracted are in hospitals and gym settings. We do want to warn you that some of these images in the story may be disturbing. Cases related to MRSA have been reported for decades, but local physicians say they're seeing a growing number of patients infected with the bacteria.
What MRSA has developed was basically a resistance to antibiotics, specifically the penicillins. And that happened basically in the hospital setting.
A MRSA infection can cause open wounds on your body. Dr. James Greamy says he treats those types of wounds at least 4 times a day. The bacteria is most commonly spread through skin-to-skin contact.
So there's a bare feet using mats, and so yeah, it's definitely contagious. We know this, and so we want to keep people safe as they walk around barefoot.
Michelle Acebo owns the yoga studio of Corpus Christi and takes extra steps to ensure her clients are healthy.
We prefer for people to bring their own mats and use their own equipment, but if they don't, we have equipment here for them. And we ask them that when they're finished is to grab a Clorox wipe and wipe it down. And then we also have a hanger outside so that it can actually dry.
MRSA-related wounds may not look like an infection at first. Doctors say to look for inflamed or abscessed skin and seek treatment immediately.
So if you get a break in your skin and, for instance, you're at jiu-jitsu and there's Staph aureus living on the mats, that bacteria gets into that little cut or abrasion on your skin and then starts to cause an infection. A lot of people, the most common thing is people think it's a spider bite.
We contacted the Nueces County Health Department about the number of cases of MRSA in 2018, but they tell us they don't track those types of infections. Lee.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.